Infinix Hot 70 versus Infinix Hot 60. The Infinix Hot 70 wins this round with slimmer profile of 7.5 mm compared to the other model. For a more lightweight feel, the Infinix Hot 60 is the better option at 193 grams. Both devices are fully equal. Let's utilizing an IPS LCD display for their screen presentation. It is a clear tie, as neither of these two smartphones comes equipped with HDR10 support. Enjoy smooth scrolling on both models, as they are completely equal with a 120Hz refresh rate. Both options are perfectly matched, offering an identical maximum brightness level of 700 nits. The Infinix Hot 60 offers slightly sharper visual with a superior 262 ppi density. With a higher 85% screen-to-body ratio, the Infinix Hot 60 provides a more immersive display. The Hot 60 model secures another win here by delivering a better resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The Infinix Hot 70 takes the lead in this category with a larger screen measuring 6.78 inches. Both devices offer equal durability as they both feature a solid glass screen protection. The Infinix Hot 60 wins the processing battle, powered by a superior Cortex i7-8 architecture. Equipped with a Dimensity 7020, the Hot 60 provides significantly better hardware performance. For superior graphics processing, the Hot 60 model stands out with its IMGB XMI256 GPU. The Hot 60 model delivers a vastly superior overall performance, making it the ideal choice. Both smartphones are perfectly equal, running latest Android 16 platform with XOS interface. The Infinix Hot 70 dominates this category, boasting a massive and longer-lasting 6000 mAh battery. Power up much faster with the Infinix Hot 70, which features a superior 45-watt charging capacity. Extending your storage is simple on both, as they both feature a dedicated memory slot. Data transfer speeds are a perfect tie, with both devices featuring identical 2.2 UFS technology. Multitasking performance is completely equal, as both phones are equipped with 8 GB of RAM. Storage capacity is a total tie, with both models offering an ample 256 GB of internal space. Both models are equal, featuring a 50 MP wide main camera to capture all your daily moments. Video recording capability is a perfect tie, as both smartphones support up to 2K at 30 FPS. For front-facing photography, both phones are completely equal with an 8 MP f2.0 camera. Front video recording is a perfect tie, with both models offering identical 2K at 30 FPS quality. The Infinix Hot 70 is more durable against dust and water, thanks to its higher IP65 rating. While audio fans will be pleased as both devices include a standard 3.5 mm audio jack. Wired connectivity is a total tie, with both smartphones utilizing the same standard 2.0 USB. The Hot 70 model takes the lead here, offering a superior audio experience with stereo speaker. Wireless connectivity is an exact tie, with both devices supporting the modern 5.4 Bluetooth. Both smartphones feature convenient NFC support, making wireless data transaction a complete tie. Biometric security is perfectly equal, as both devices utilize a fast-side sensor. Network management is identical, as both models support dual connectivity with a two-SIM setup. The Infinix Hot 60 wins this round by offering a faster network experience with 5G and Wi-Fi 7. If you are looking for a more budget-friendly choice, the device on the left is the better option. The Infinix Hot 60 wins this comparison battle with a superior total score of 28 points. Buy the Infinix Hot 60 for superior performance or get the Hot 70 for better battery life.